everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to everybody who's new here. Today I'm going to make a really quick and simple card. I have done all the die cutting just to save a bit of time, and we're going to make this cute apple of my eye card. So for the ink I'm going to use the VersaFine Onyx Black ink. It's a really good ink, good black ink. For the sentiment I'm taking my pink stamper, Fruit and Veggie Puns, and using the apple of my eye sentiment. Super easy. Then what is new to me is the Spellbinders, these are the Gnome Drive die cuts, dies, and so I'm using the apple from the graduation set. So there's a whole bunch of add-ons here, and I'm using the little apple here because I thought it was so funny. So you'll see in a second. And then I'm also using Spellbinders. These are the deckled rectangles large. And I'm using the second, I used the second one in and the third one in to create a frame, and then just a backer with the second one in, just so that it had, you know, a backing. So this is the little guy put together, and I think he's hysterical because he's got glasses on. I think he's just the cutest thing ever. So I thought we would use him today, and for some reason he reminds me a little bit of the berry in Cloudy what, with a chance of meatballs. Is that what it's called? Anyway, and I just thought that was what he reminded me of, but it's a little apple, so I thought it was quite sweet. On the pun. So I have a 4x4 card here, so it's 8 inches by 4 inches, scored at 4 inches. I just made it smaller than a normal little, make it into a little card today. And then I have a green piece of cardstock in the decollage, and then this is the one that I used two of them to create the frame. Don't know, I think I'm going to stick that flat. Or maybe I'll pop that bit up. No, I think that one I'm going to stick flat, so let's do that quickly. Find my glue. Let's get that stuck on. And the nice thing is they just line up really simply, lined up just like that. This looks very blue here, but it's actually a purple, so yeah. So it just creates a little framed area for the little guy to sit in. And then I think I want to pop him up, but what I'll do first is get this stuck to here so that I can add my sentiment in. So I think I probably want him about there. Actually, let me do the sentiment first. I'll tell you for why. Because this way I can line this up and then stamp this just here. Oops, my finger got in the way, so that worked. So apple of my eye. And then if I want to pop this up, then it's, I know where to line up. Does that make sense? Anyway, so I think that's what I will do actually. I'm going to pop this up. Just some foam dot things. These aren't too deep, a foam dot, so if that made any sense. So they're like a sort of thinnish one. That's what I was trying to say. And yeah, I put foam dots on everywhere. So just get these off. These are super sticky as well. They're a scrapbook adhesive, I think, brand. Are they? oh yeah, scrapbook adhesive. They're a nice pop dot thing. Right, so I'm just going to line this up somewhat straight. You guys know me, I don't do straight. Straight lines. Right, and then on the back of this I'm also going to add some foam, because why not? Oops. And then he's just going to be sitting there like that. How cute's that? Now the other thing I want to do quickly, it'll take a bit of time to dry, but it's to add some glossy accents. Just 1 second. Right, let's see if this works, because again, so what I want to do is add glossy accents to the glasses on the inside so it looks like a pair of glasses. And I think that will be that. So it looks very milky at the moment, but when it dries it'll dry nice and super glossy. Just move that around a bit. There you go. And yeah, that's it. Super simple little card, but I just think it's adorable, and that's just using one element from that Gnome Drive graduation add-on set, and mixing and matching. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and until next time, bye for now.